everyone, I'm Rossella Rago and welcome back to Cooking with Nonna. Today I'm cooking with my very own Nonna Romana. Say hello everybody.
Hello everybody.
Tell everybody what we're going to make today. We got a very special episode for you guys.
Today I gotta cook trippa.
Trippa! We're making
Trippe patate.
beef tripe with potatoes.
It's very good.
Very good.
I remember when my mother, they cook that, I go crazy. I love trippa. Oh my God.
So tripe is one of those things. It's a bit of an acquired taste, but it is a very good example of Cucina Povera of southern Italy, the peasant food of southern Italy. There are a lot of families that in southern Italy back in the day couldn't afford to eat meat more than once a week. So enter trippa or tripe or beef tripe, the lining of a cow's stomach that Italians season very well, cook to perfection, and eat. Every wedding that I've ever been to, the cocktail hour always includes tripe. So we had to make it on Cooking with Nonna. Look how happy Nonna is that she's making tripe today. She really, really loves it.
I love trippa, yeah. When my mother make, I go crazy.
And you wouldn't believe how easy it actually is to prepare. With potatoes and a tomato sauce is probably the most common way that you've seen it. So I'm just going to go over the ingredients really quick. We have some beautiful beef tripe that is already washed. So this is the washed one that they sell now.
Yeah, now they sell it like that. Before in Italy, they don't come this color. They look light brown. And you gotta clean, too much work for clean this trippa. You gotta put in the hot water, you gotta take all the little skin, the dark color, they come light like that after you clean. But now it's very easy make. In Italy, a lot of work for cook this one. Yeah.
Hear that, guys? You're lucky. We live in a great country that sells clean tripe already.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very easy. So we have some russet potatoes cut up into about 1.5-inch chunks. We just have them chilling in some water just to prevent the oxidation. We got some extra virgin olive oil, some canned crushed tomatoes, some chopped onions, some parsley, some salt, some pepper we're going to use too, and for the end, just some pecorino romano cheese grated over the top. Nonna's so excited. We got to start.
Oh, yeah, I got to start now.
Okay, what's the first thing we want to do, Nonna?
The first thing, I got to cut this.
Okay.
Okay. I got to put it here.
Okay. Now, I'm not going to lie. This is not my favorite recipe that we've ever done. But Nonna really, really wanted to do it, and I do know that there are people that have that old school connection to tripe, so we are making some tripe today. Why you love so much tripe?
I love it, yeah. I love it better than meat, this one.
Why?
Really. I love it.
Okay, so you want to cut the tripe into strips about 1/2 inch wide, and then you want to cut those pieces into 2-inch pieces. You don't want any part of it to be too thick.
Now I finish cut trippa, and I gotta put in the cold water for boil for 20 minutes.
20 or 30 minutes. So we have this nice pot of cold water over here. And I'm just going to take all the tripe and put it in the cold water. You want to make sure there's enough cold water to cover the tripe completely.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure.
You gotta cover it and they come boil right away.
Okay, so now we're going to cover this and we're going to bring it to a boil. Okay, so now that we're at a nice rolling boil here, we want to cover this and cook this for about 30 minutes, right, Nonna?
Yeah.
Okay, so we will see you in 30 minutes when the tripe is cooked. Okay, so now the tripe has been boiling for about 30 minutes. And Nonna's going to take it out.
Oh, they look good. See the way they come?
Oh, yeah.
Very nice.
It firmed up really nicely. And now we're ready to start making our sauce for it. Tripe is a little bit bland just on its own, so it's really all about how you season it and how you flavor it. You want to make a really nice, flavorful sauce for it. Any more inside?
I don't think so.
If there is, she's going to find it.
No more.
No more. Okay.
Yeah, finish.
Okay. Now we got to move this over here. And we're going to start to make the sauce for the tripe. Okay. So now what's the first thing we need for the sauce?
Olio.
Get some extra virgin olive oil in the pan.
I think it's enough.
That's enough, okay. And we're going to start to saute our onion. Una bella cipolla.
Give him a spoon, wood spoon.
Okay.
Okay. Now they gotta make a tomato sauce. You gotta put inside the trippa
E le patate.
e le patate. Yeah.
Nonna loves her tripe. Every time she goes to a party, a good wedding with a cocktail hour, you take it, right?
Oh yeah. Anytime I go, I take. I love her. Very good.
So, com'è il sapore della trippa? Come il calamaro? A little bit. What's the texture?
Look like calamaro. Just this that they have more taste for meat. And the calamari they taste more for fish. You know?
But the same texture. It's a little gummy.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, I love her.
Love.
Yeah, very good.
So we just want to get our onion nice and golden
Yeah.
before we put our tomatoes in. So I don't know, Nonna, you think I'm going to like the tripe like this?
Yeah. When you taste, you gotta love her. I love her.
Oh, that's a nice golden onion. Now we put tomato.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we have our canned
Tomato.
crushed tomatoes.
Wait. Okay.
A little bit of salt in here.
Yeah.
Just want to let that cook for a few minutes. So this is actually a really simple way to prepare tripe. If you're really unsure about it, just the thing is making sure it's tender. Che bello tenero la trippa, right?
Oh yeah. They're supposed to cook a lot of the trippa,
Yeah.
you know. It's why. Now they gotta cook together about the potato too.
Yep.
The trippa and the tomato sauce. Yeah.
So this is about 3/4 of the way done right now. And then the final cooking process with the potatoes and the tomato sauce is really going to infuse the tripe with some nice flavor. Looks good.
No, you can put everything now.
Okay.
Trippa and potato together.
All right, guys. So
Yeah.
I'm going to add the tripe back in. Going to add our potatoes.
Okay.
Mi dai quella cucchiaio là? Gonna add some parsley.
Yeah, you put all of the parsley you have over there. Good.
Okay. And we're gonna add some pepper, some nice black pepper
Yeah.
here. Get
enough.
some nice
That's
flavor
enough.
in here.
Don't
Okay.
put too much.
Okay. And finally, we're gonna add our. Ooh, it's hot. hot water. We might not even use all of this. We just want enough that's going to cover the potatoes.
Yeah.
Just cover them, not by a lot or anything.
Yeah, not too much.
Allora metti l'acqua.
Yeah. I
Serve
think
una
this-
presina.
Maybe. Oh, it's heavy.
Oh, Madonna.
Okay. I think it's enough, huh?
That's
Because,
enough. Okay.
Yeah, it's enough.
Oh, wow. Okay, this looks good.
You got to close this. You don't need this no more.
Okay,
Okay.
don't worry.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so now we're going to pop the cover on and we're going to lower the heat again to a nice simmer. And we're going to let this simmer for about 30 minutes or until the potatoes are nice and fork tender. When the potatoes are done, this whole thing is done. And then we're going to sprinkle it with our pecorino cheese and we're going to taste.
Yeah, sure.
I'm going to taste too. I'm going to be a good sport about it. Nonna, so excited.
Yeah, I can't wait. I love that.
Ok, allora mettiamo il coperchio.
You know, some people, they want to go wearing because they love Trippa. Because they, in the cocktail hour, almost all the wearing, they put Trippa.
Did you have Trippa at your wedding?
Yeah, sure. When I go for wearing, anytime I eat Trippa. I love
Al
Trippa.
matrimonio tuo, at your wedding, you had Trippa?
No, in this
No.
time, no. They make just a sandwich. Sandwich and cookies they make.
A
When
Trippa
I
sandwich?
marry. No, salami sandwich, not Trippa. Salami and cookies, that's all. This time. And one glass of liquor for each. They go about 1 year, they have a glass and they give for all the people they sit.
It's a nice party.
This time they use like that.
Okay, so now we are ready to cover this. We're going to lower the flame to a simmer, and we're going to let this cook for about 30 minutes or until the potatoes are done. Now, don't get rid of the rest of your hot water because you might need it. Once in a while, check on the tripe. If it's a little bit dry, add a little bit more water. And, give it a quick stir every now and again. Just make sure nothing is sticking. Nothing should stick, but Nonna always likes to check on things.
Yeah.
You got to make sure.
Yeah. You gotta check.
So we will see you guys in about 30 minutes when the potatoes are tender and the tripe is ready to be tasted.
Hello, everybody. I think the Trippa, they finish. They cook.
You think
They
so?
cook, yeah.
Ok, apriamo
think
qua.
so.
Oh, wow.
They look good, smell good,
Look at
very
that.
good.
See, so the tripe has absorbed a lot of our sauce here. It's not like pooling too much at the
Very
bottom.
good.
And then let's see if you try and just cut a potato in half with the wooden spoon. It works perfectly. So that means the potatoes are done. So that means our tripe is done. Okay, spegni qua.
Questo,
Yeah. We're just going to take it and spoon it into this nice little clay pot, very rustic. You like it, Nonna? Nonna cannot wait to eat this.
Yeah, I can't wait. I want that.
You excited?
I want to test that, yeah.
Yeah?
It's very good.
Every time I ask
Look
Nonna
good.
if she's excited, she always says no because she thinks it means nervous. But this time she actually said yes. So she's really excited for this tripe.
I understand now what you said.
Okay. Wow. This is a trippa.
La trippa con le patate.
Could put some bread here. That's how Nonna likes to eat it, with a little bit of bread, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what else do we got to put?
Cheese.
Some nice pecorino romano right over our tripe. So good. It looks delicious. It smells amazing.
It looks good.
It looks good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now what do we got to do?
I want to test.
You want to taste?
Sure.
Okay. Get a good piece.
Sure. I want to take this one. E la patata. See?
Okay,
I want to wait because too hot.
yeah, it looks really hot.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Ciao.
It's really hot, guys. It's really hot.
The trippa, they cook good, very good.
It is really, really good. You get a nice beef
Very
flavor. You got that that power flavor from the tomato sauce, the little zest from the cheese. This is so delicious.
They're so good.
Now, next time I go to a wedding, I'm actually going to try the tripe. I'm going to do it. I'm not just going to get a plate for Nonna and take it to her table.
It's very good. I love her.
You love her?
Yeah.
We make a good?
Sure, very good job. You do good. You learn.
I'm
Make
so
a tripe patate.
I'm so glad Nonna approves of this dish. Thank you for being my Nonna today, Nonna.
Okay.
And every day.
Thank you for you because you learn everything from me.
Bye,
Bye everybody.